Hi friends, welcome to LiveZine. This video is on powerful quotes by Lao TZU. These quotes can change your life forever. So watch this video till the end.
When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everyone will respect you. A man with outward courage dares to die. A man with inner courage dares to live. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. To a mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. Be content with what you have, rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. The best fighter is never angry. Care about what other people think, and you will always be their prisoner. By letting it go, it all gets done. The world is won by those who let it go. But when you try and try, the world is beyond the winning. To avoid disappointment, know what is sufficient. To avoid trouble, know when to stop. If you are able to do this, you will last a long time. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. The words of truth are always paradoxical. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. The best of all leaders is the one who helps people so that eventually they don't need him. Life and death are one thread, the same line viewed from different sides. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love is a decision, not an emotion. Health is the greatest possession. Contentment is the greatest treasure. Confidence is the greatest friend. Non-being is the greatest joy. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. He who is contented is rich. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at the peace, you are living in the present. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will say, "We did it ourselves." When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Time is a created thing. To say I don't have time is like saying I don't want to. At the center of your being, you have the answer. You know who you are and you know what you want. The key to growth is the introduction of higher dimensions of consciousness into our awareness. Silence is a source of great strength. surrender your self-interest, love others as much as you love yourself, then you can be entrusted with all things under heaven. If you try to change it, you will ruin it. Try to hold it and you will lose it. If you want to know me, look inside your heart. Doing nothing is better than being busy doing nothing. A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. Success is as dangerous as failure. Hope is as hollow as fear. If I had just a little bit of wisdom, I should walk the great path and fear only straying from it. What is a good man but a bad man's teacher? What is a bad man but a good man's job? The master dwells in the substantial and not in the superficial, rests in the fruit and not in the flower. The ruler attains wholeness in the correct governance of the people. Every journey begins with a single step. Wasting energy to obtain rare objects only impedes one's growth. The power of intuitive understanding will protect you from harm until the end of your days. If we could renounce our sageness and discard our wisdom, it would be better for the people 100-fold. Simplicity has no name, is free of desires. Being free of desires, it is tranquil, and the world will be at peace of its own accord. When there is silence, one finds the anchor of the universe within oneself. The soft overcomes the hard, and the weak the strong. There is no greater danger than underestimating your opponent. It is better to leave a vessel unfilled than to attempt to carry it when it is full. If you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into place. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. The truth is not always beautiful, nor beautiful words the truth. New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. I have just 3 things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These 3 are your greatest treasures. If you realize that all things change, there is nothing you will try to hold on to. If you are not afraid of dying, there is nothing you cannot achieve. Knowing others is wisdom. Knowing yourself is enlightenment.
If you like the video, let me know in the comment section and subscribe my channel for more inspiring videos. I'll be making more and more inspiring videos like this, And don't forget to hit the notification bell